In this video, we are going to show you how to make our cauliflower buffalo wings, which are gluten-free, vegan, plant-based goodness that's great to bring to your next Super Bowl party or just a quick snack to take wherever you're going.
And this recipe is part of our new book, Simple Green Meals. It's 100 plant-powered recipes, so if you guys click on that link, you'll find even more recipes and videos from the book, and it's amazing. Pick it up.
And make sure to keep watching this video because we are going to walk you through the whole process to make this delicious meal, and you're not going to want to miss it. So to get started, we are going to make the batter, which is a mixture of gluten-free flour. It's all-purpose. We have some garlic powder. Okay, and we are going to add a pinch of salt as well. I'll just throw that in. And I'm going to have you whisk it all together.
Okay, and what kind of consistency are we looking for?
Once you get it going, it'll kind of look like a pancake batter, and that's perfect.
Okay, so if it's looking a little thick, we'll just add a little extra
some more
water to thin it out?
Yep, I would say that's, if it looks like Play-Doh, which ours is right now, just keep adding water. You want pancakes. Okay, now we're gonna take our cauliflower, which we've chopped into little florets, so they're bite-sized chunks, so when we're at the game, you can just really fit it in your mouth. We're gonna put them in there, mix it all together, and make sure they're coated.
And if you wanna be really neat about it, you can just dip it, right?
True, you could do bigger pieces and just dip the floret into it.
And you get so much for just one head of cauliflower.
Yeah.
You feed like a whole party. True.
So that's one of the perks of buying the whole head versus a bag. You do get more in it, but you do more work because you're chopping it yourself.
Okay, so it's all mixed up and we're gonna just put it on the baking sheet with parchment paper.
We've already preheated the oven to 450, so we are gonna cook this at a very high heat.
Okay, so it'll get nice and crispy.
Yeah, I'll bring the tray right over here. I'm gonna hold it. And
sure. And so we're gonna cook this for about 15 minutes and we're gonna flip it over about halfway through.
Yeah. So you want it to be crispy and baked all the way, because then we're gonna coat it with the delicious sauce.
Let me spread that out for you. This is gonna be so nice and crispy when it comes out.
Yeah, make sure to get one even layer so every piece has some circulation going on so it cooks through, if possible. All right, let's put it in the oven. While the cauliflower is baking, we are gonna make the cashew ranch dipping sauce in a food processor.
Nice, it'll be nice and creamy.
Yes. So this is plant-based, of course, for us, and we are gonna do half a cup of cashews that we've already soaked and rinsed. Mm-hmm. So I'll just pass the ingredients to you.
Oh, that sounds great.
We're gonna do some garlic powder.
I'm always amazed by how creamy cashews can make things.
They do, it's really great. We're gonna do fresh dill. You can pick how much you want, but err on the side of
heavy on
I was gonna
dill.
say heavy. Heavy's always good.
Right. And we can always save some and sprinkle on top, make it a little fancier looking for the party.
Paprika.
And it's just a pinch, but I guess you could add more if you want a little more kick of flavor.
Yeah, it's a smoky paprika, so it kind of just deepens the flavors. Salt and pepper. Here's the pepper. And some salt. And 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. Smell that dill.
It smells really good. And we're gonna add 1/4 cup of water and make sure everything blends up. And if it starts to get a little chunky at all, you can always add a little bit more until you get the consistency that you want. Just hold it down. And do you want to pulse it all or just let it go?
We want this a creamy, you can just go all the way.
Okay, cool.
That's good.
bowl.
Mm-hmm.
This looks so good.
So this is a dairy-free version of ranch dressing.
And we kept a little bit of texture, the cashews, so it kind of gets like that blue cheese consistency. But you can continue to blend it or add a little bit more water for it to be super creamy.
Let's add some dill for the top. And a little bit of salt as well.
Looks perfect. I think we can put it on the plate already with our celery and our carrots.
And just wait for
All
those
set.
buffalo wings to cook, and we're ready.
These look good. They're starting to toast up.
Yes. All right, now we're gonna mix the buffalo sauce, which is a combination of Frank's hot sauce and coconut oil. You can use another hot sauce too if you prefer, but for us, we really try to keep ingredients simple, and Frank's only has a couple ingredients and they're all really good ones.
Nice. So we made sure we melted the coconut oil before putting it in here, otherwise you'd probably get a little chunky.
Good point. And then whisk it all together. If you pass the spatula, I can kind of get it started. We're just gonna toss these into the bowl and coat them. And then they're going right back in the oven.
Now you said you could do different types of hot sauce. Can you do like a barbecue sauce, like our off-site barbecue tacos?
Yeah, you could even do like a Korean barbecue sauce, and you could totally change it up.
Alright, we're just gonna coat it and kind of mix it around.
I'm gonna get a new sheet of parchment paper while you're doing that, just so it doesn't stick. That's looking good.
Yeah, you can already see that from the coating. It's got like a nice crunch on the outside, and it's just gonna get crispier when it goes back in.
And if you like it really saucy and flavorful, you can add even more. It's very flexible how you do this. All right, that looks good.
Add it back on.
Yeah, I'm gonna do it this way with a slotted spatula, just so we're not getting all the juices on the bottom of the tray. So we want it to be crispy, and so the more liquid that sits on the bottom, the softer it's gonna get. Kind of let it drip through. And then once again, you're gonna wanna push it around. Make sure.
And how long are we gonna put these back in the oven for?
About 20 minutes.
Okay.
So same temperature, just check on them. You want them to be roasted, crispy, but not burnt.
Oh, this looks so good.
Yeah, it does. So now that they are cooked, you can see a little bit of blackened in spots, but for the most part, they are perfectly roasted. So we're gonna put them on the plate and get ready for the party.
Oh, so we'll see if we can get these to the table. They might just stay here.
If they weren't so hot, I would be eating them right now.
These look awesome.
So this is a great meal to bring to Super Bowl, World Series. You can even just have it for family movie night with the side of popcorn.
So I think that's enough for everyone else, and we'll just save this for us in the kitchen.
Yeah, we'll hide it. They won't even know about it. We really hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please give it a thumbs up and make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel, where we're gonna share more plant-powered recipes all year long. And I know we are curious to know what party or event you would like to bring this recipe to, so please leave a comment below letting us know. All right, thanks, bye.
Bye, guys.